my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love, then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. Yes, we are back with another video. And as you guys saw by the title, this is gonna be the September premium boxycham unboxing. Yes, I just got it in the mail today. I just got out of work, so let's get right into this unboxing. Okay, so this is what she's looking like when I open her. The theme is BTS, which might be back to school or behind the scenes. As you can see, BTS and information about the products. Alright, so the first thing I have is a palette. This is the Milk and Honey highlighter palette from Beauty Bakery. And here is the packaging. It's a little sleeve. And then this is what it looks like when you open it. It does not have a mirror, so I can actually show you like this. This is what it's looking like. It comes with 4 highlighters. They are really, really pretty. So let's do some swatches. So this one is called Oh Honey, Queen Being, Spoiler Alert, and then Be Sweet. I already forgot the order I did them in, but ooh. So that is what they look like. I feel like I'm lacking a little bit of highlighter, so let's try it on the face. I think I'm going to take Spoiler Alert and mix it with Queen Bee. It is really nice and pretty, nothing too over the top. I've been wearing my makeup for 10 plus hours, so actually 12 plus hours because it's about to be 6, and I'm usually done with my makeup at 5 in the morning. I start at 4 a.m. and I'm finished by 5, so 12 hours I've been wearing this. This is the highlighter, really pretty. Next, oh, how much does that retail for? Duh. So that highlighter palette costs $38. So the next thing we have is from Herbivore. This is their Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. The box feels really nice and high-end. And this is the actual product. And this retails for $48. And that's expensive. It says it's a truly natural mask that gently clarifies skin with BHAs from white willow bark, fruit enzymes, along with aloe and blue tansy essential oil to soothe the appearance of redness and irritation. That's nice. I may or may not put this in a giveaway because I don't really have redness. So I'll think about it. Maybe. I have a lot of moisturizers and masks already in my collection. So the next thing is from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is their Snap Shadows. This retails for $25. And it's a mix and match eyeshadow palette. It says a game-changing portable eyeshadow palette of 6 rich blendable shades in a range of matte to shimmer finishes. Snap together any 2 palettes to double your collection while keeping it perfectly compactless. 12 of your fave shades all in the palm of your hand. So let's see. I believe this was a choice item and you got to pick the shade that you wanted. So I picked 4 Rose. I don't know why, but this looks like, it looks a lot bigger when people talk about it and show it in the videos. And like person, this is really small, but really compact. Those are the shades. All right, so that is what that looks like. I really want to try just one shade. Like, I guess I'm gonna go for the brightest pink and pop that in the crease. I like that it comes with a little mirror. Ooh. I feel like this is a night eye, and this is something I would wear like more towards the day. The pigment is really nice and blendable. we'll play with this more in an upcoming video. I just wanted to see like what the formula was like. Ooh, that is really pretty. Okay, I like that. So next is something from Hey Honey. It's a Trick and Treat lip balm. It's a berry balm with natural tint, and this cost $23. Let's see what color this is looking like. Oh, I guess this is the shade. So this is what, I'm so sorry if you can hear that in the background. My neighbor's getting work done to her house, so apologies. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's like a really pretty berry shade. Oh, this kind of smells like lotion. I guess let's apply a little. Ew, this is like, I don't like this. This is like a lip scrub type of consistency. Like I feel like I just put lip balm that has sand in it on my lips. I don't like that. Ew. We'll just let that do whatever it's gonna do. Okay, so the next thing that we have is from Complex Culture. This is, it's a Sonic T-Bar facial massager. And this retails for $58. That's expensive, bro. It's mad expensive. Oh, this looks really fancy. So that's what it looks like. I believe this is like a battery operated facial massage. Like it vibrates when you turn it on or something. So you're supposed to like be able to get in and like apply stuff with it. This is really cool. I like that. But would I pay $58 for this? No. Okay, so last but not least is something from Laura Mercier. This is the Balancing Foaming Cleanser. This was also a choice item, and I love Laura Mercier products, so you know your girl got some more Laura Mercier. And this product, this retails for $30, and it is a really big tube. You get 4.2 fluid ounces in here. I'll probably use this to take my makeup off tonight. But yeah, that's everything I got in my BoxyCharm Premium. If I had to rate it, I would rate it like, okay, I took off that lip balm thing because I just couldn't deal with it. I put a lip serum on. So overall, if I had to rate this box, I would probably give it like a 7.58. I'm probably not gonna use the Herbivore clarifying mask, or maybe I will, who knows. It looks pretty cool. It is really liquidy though, so not really sure how that's supposed to work. I did like the fact that I got a Fenty eyeshadow palette. The highlighter palette's really nice. The Laura Mercier facial cleanser, also really nice. Who doesn't love skincare? The only things I'm really iffy about are the facial massager, the lip balm, and yeah, those things are like iffy for me, you know. But overall, I did enjoy it. You're only paying, I think, $35 for premium, and the stuff that I did like covers the box. Like just the Fenty palette alone covers the box, I think, or one of the products cover the box. So yeah, if you're interested, check out BoxyCharm, join. It's my recommended like makeup subscription service. I used to be subscribed to Ipsy, but I realized I was paying like what, $10 a month for just samples. Like, it's nice, but I like full-sized products, so you definitely get your money's worth with BoxyCharm. So if you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys thought, and if you guys enjoyed, I don't know where I was going with that. I feel like I said that already. Anyways, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Rose family, and turn your post notifications on for when I do upload. I've been like on a little roll, you know. So yeah, hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are. Staying safe, staying blessed, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Can you play that again? Give me some vibe, baby.